While we were waiting for the release of the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI surprised us on January 8th with the launch of an unexpected new drone. In essence, it is actually an improved version of the Mavic 3 Enterprise, but for some unknown reason, DJI decided to name this new drone the Matrice 4. The Matrice line was traditionally associated with drones that use a much larger platform, such as the Matrice 30, which is more robust and equipped with advanced technological features. The new Matrice 4, however, was built on the same platform as the Mavic 3 and aims to be a powerful and compact enterprise drone, designed to replace the Mavic 3 Enterprise. Let's take a look at the main differences between the new models and the older ones. The most striking detail of the new Matrice is the raised area designed to accommodate the RTK sensor, which is integrated into the upper rear section. In the Mavic 3 Enterprise, the RTK sensor was removable and occupied the accessory slot, making it impossible to use it alongside other equipment. In the previous version, there were 4 sensors covering the rear area, but in this new version, adjustments were made due to the RTK module. 2 sensors were repositioned and modernized to cover the same rear area effectively. Another significant improvement is the range. The Mavic 3 Enterprise used O3 technology with the CR Pro Enterprise controller, which was more compact and had a maximum range of 15 kilometers. The Matrice 4, on the other hand, features O4 technology with the new RC+2 controller, which is larger, offers more features, and extends the maximum range to 25 kilometers. Additionally, it supports a remote station that retransmits the signal to avoid obstructions, ensuring a stable connection throughout the flight. In case of an emergency, the Matrice 4 can take off quickly, and its battery provides autonomy for long-duration missions with up to 49 minutes of flight time. It also supports quick battery swaps in about 15 seconds. Additionally, there will be 2 versions with different camera setups: the Matrice 4E and the Matrice 4T. The Matrice 4T's camera system includes 6 sensors, with 3 48-megapixel cameras. The main camera is a 24mm wide-angle lens, accompanied by a 70mm medium telephoto lens and a 168mm long telephoto lens, offering a 112x hybrid zoom. It also includes an infrared thermal camera, an LED light capable of illuminating objects up to 100 meters away in the dark, and a laser rangefinder with a range of up to 1,800 meters. With all these features, the Matrice 4 is a powerful tool, even in low-light environments, enabling teams to navigate, illuminate, and identify objects with high resolution. For completely unlit scenarios, it can rely on its infrared thermal camera for precise detection and visualization. Additionally, it includes an extra lighting accessory and a loudspeaker capable of transmitting real-time voice, both designed to support rescue and emergency teams. The Matrice 4T is suitable for a wide range of industries, including forest conservation, law enforcement, rescue operations, and utility companies. It offers excellent protection against electromagnetic interference, and its telephoto camera captures highly detailed images with exceptional clarity. The Matrice 4 can also navigate through complex environments, avoiding obstacles and ensuring safe operations during missions. The camera system of the Matrice 4E features 4 sensors, with the main camera being a 20-megapixel wide-angle lens at 24 millimeters. The other sensors are identical to those of the Matrice 4T, including 2 telephoto lenses and a laser rangefinder. The Matrice 4E is designed for geospatial applications such as surveying, mapping, construction, and mining, making it ideal for urban structure inspections. It can reach hard-to-access locations and navigate with complete safety, supported by its powerful navigation and positioning system. With the telephoto camera, the Matrice 4E can capture details with exceptional clarity. For dark environments, you can install the optional lighting accessory, which moves in sync with the gimbal. The Matrice 4E will also revolutionize mapping work, as it can generate highly detailed 3D maps. When used in conjunction with a multifunctional DRTK station, it can collect precise control points, providing these reference data for drone positioning, allowing for a large number of overlapping photos. Additionally, it will have the capability to capture oblique images in up to 5 directions, ensuring great accuracy and precision in the subsequent image processing. The other features are the same for both models, such as the new sensors in all directions, a powerful AI system capable of identifying, tracking, and quantifying various types of objects. With the laser system, it can precisely measure the distance to targets. To enable teamwork, the Matrice 4 will integrate with a remote control station, making complex operations possible. It also allows for customizable object detection settings, providing a powerful tool for conservation teams. The Matrice 4 also features a compartment for an optional 4G module, which enhances signal stability in urban areas. Its internal computer processes the terrain's topography in real time, allowing the drone to follow the ground's contours. In summary, the new Matrice 4 is one of the most versatile drones on the market today. Whether day or night, it serves as a powerful tool to improve the efficiency and productivity of various business sectors, assisting teams in planning, mapping, maintenance, conservation, security, rescue, and emergency operations. It will open up new possibilities with precision and intelligence. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.